What the freak? Yeah, bro, it's not starting.
Put it in neutral.
It's on. Yeah, it was in neutral. Oh fuck! Should have wiped my helmet off a little better. All right, we'll go around this bitch. Almost can't see when I'm fucking looking at the sun because my shit's a little blurry.
Oh, you got the visor on?
Put it down, just because the other day a fucking bug hit my eyeball and that shit hurt so bad.
Really?
So I'm gonna keep it up. It literally hit me right in like the little pink part of your eyeball. It hurt so. Yeah, good thing it didn't hit my actual eye because that would have sucked.
Yeah.
But that shit still hurt.
Hey, occasionally throughout this ride, can you like check out my oh shit. Can you check out my fucking crazy?
Check out your what?
My seat. There's a wooden top right here.
Check out your seat. Why? What's wrong with your seat?
My back seat.
What's wrong with it? That Cadillac sped up like it didn't want me to do that or something.
Yeah.
It sounded pretty badass too.
There's a Corvette engine in it.
Yeah, like the is it the CTSV?
Yeah.
Those have, I guess, like fucking 545 stock.
God damn.
So that's more than your car.
I know.
That's crazy. That car sounds like really nice though too. I'd be down. Yeah, I don't even think he's coming.
Nah, he was like in the lane to go.
Yeah, the other way, straight or something.
Yeah. Need new gloves. Look at this.
My gloves are good, but like, look at this. Fucking this, like, keeps coming undone all the time.
I don't even have. Look at this one. This one is even fucking.
I forgot, try because you crashed a bunch of times. So you're fucking got all fucked up. Just do a wheelie. Almost. It's much better than the last time I recorded you doing this. You can hold these wheelies for days now. Decent. Oh, it's a tight little fit. I could actually go under the semi if I wanted.
Bro, why is that?
Oh, is it decent?
Nation, no nation.
I'll just fucking bump you into it.
Look at that open road. You see that open road?
Oh, bro, we're taking off. I just left you in the dust, boy. What you got, baby? That's pretty decent. Oh, hey, my bike just... I think it died. My bike just died. What the hell?
Is it not turning on?
No.
The fuck?
Hold on. Let's see. What the freak?
Are you out of gas?
No, my light wouldn't even come on. Here, look it. So it turns on, right? Why is it doing that? Fuck! Do we need a push start? I don't even know how the fuck I'm gonna get it home.
It's gonna start. It's gonna start.
Make it make sense.
Fuck, I'm stranded, bro. We're stranded now.
Leave it off. Leave it off.
Just leave it off for a little bit?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Has anything like been acting weird lately?
No. Fucking bitch.
Starting up weird.
Fucking bitch. I'm so tired. We just had to fucking push start this bitch to get it started. Hey, let's get on your bike quick before shit dies, bro. The only way, dude, to keep this bike running is if we fucking stay above 100 this whole time.
You're crazy.
Nah, babe, let's for real. Let's go. This shit's at 210 now. I don't want this shit to die again. That was Dennis. He just picked up that bike.
Did he?
Yeah, my dad just drove him.
You bought another one?
Yeah, I don't know why he bought that one. I guess it was a good deal or some shit.